was a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
Yeah, put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Golly, boy. It's the cream for me. Boy, hey, I could get used to this. I could deal with this. Is like space. Them cars with the big ass engines, they be so small. Like, I got room in here. Like, this is, ooh, this. Hold on, let me get in. Let me show you it. Look at that. That's what I seen when I opened it. That bitch so clean, boy. Cream and peanut butter. Yeah, we gotta find a door. If I can't find a door, that's gonna be hell. That's gonna be some hell. That's gonna be some hell. We gotta find a door. So we gotta do this. Alright guys, so we got this in. This thing nice. I said I was gonna replace this door, but the prices I've been seeing and what I charge, it don't add up. So it's not as bad as those doors. Those doors was bad, but it's still pretty hit. So I'm gonna attempt to do this today. If I can't get it to where I want or close to being done today, then I'm gonna get a new door. So in theory, I should have this car ready for paint tomorrow, cause that little dent ain't gonna take me nothing. That's a little dent. So that's the only other dent. And all it is just scratches. So in theory, I should have this thing ready for paint tomorrow. It sounds good, but this door is going to be like the determining factor. See that dent? It goes all the way back here. This is the end of the dent. Well, nope, it go. I don't know. We're gonna see. Gonna see how it happens. I need to take this door handle out, and then we're gonna make it shape. Damn. I don't know how to take that one out. Alright, so we got the door handle off. And we got the back side off. I always try to go to the back first. And try to knock some of the dent out. Pretty good. I think it'll come out there. I'll get like a hammer. get a hammer and just, because the big part right here, and then like all the little stuff at the top, I could work with that. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a hammer and try to, such that up. This should come out. Trying not to break that. Because I was originally gonna replace this door. But now, since I ain't replacing it, I can't break that. Or I am gonna have to replace it. So either way, let's see if I can get this. See that? I don't like how that sounds. Yeah, me too. Yes. All right, guys. I got ahead of myself, guys. Ain't nothing y'all see it. Doggone. I got it off. I started popping. And it was coming out, and I was like, dang, I ain't even recorded. Watch y'all look.
The Rolling Stones. Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
Hit and ain't hit home.
Mama just hung her head and said, son,
we're getting a new door. We're not, especially we ain't got the time, and we calling the customer and saying, hey, we're not gonna be able to fix this door. We gotta pay more money to get a new door. That's what we're doing next time. We're not going through this next time, right? However, we did almost get it somewhere. We got all this good. There's a little spot that was right here. It was real little. That I just put some on, trying to block it out. Now see what you're doing now here is you're chasing dents. So what happened is I had a little dent over here, and over here. And then I got all of that. Then I had a dent right here. I got that one, but then I had a dent right here. I had a dent right here. It's called chasing dents. So when you don't do it all at the same time, you'll get this part right, and then you'll have something over here messed up. You'll get this part right, and then you'll have something. So yeah. But this one came in this afternoon. It's another Doja up. But as you can see, this is nothing like that one or those. So, I said I wanted to go ahead and grind it down. Because if I can get this out by Wednesday, that'll be a good job. That'd be a really good job. If I can get it done by Wednesday, that'd be good. So, yeah, I'm about to try to grind this down before it get too dark. Alright, so pretty much got this. I don't know, as good as I'm gonna get it today. I'm fucking damn. I still gotta prime it. I was just gonna do the door, but I scratched this. So I'm gonna do this to. I had a spot right here anyway. So, but I need to prime the door and make sure. That was the biggest thing. So, and
Ooh, DJ Monte.
Hey, I'm from the 94589. It was all in due time. A nigga from the west put it back on the map. They know my name, they play my slaps. From state to state, I'm country to country. Roots in the south, my daddy still country. I hopped on a wave and hopped on stage. I do my dance, hop off, get paid. My cousin worked the blade, I couldn't do the same. I don't keep change, so why would I change? I stepped in the game, stepped on tracks. Dubs in the air, the west coast back. I'm from the 94589. It was all in due time. A nigga from the west put it back on the map. They know my name, they play my slaps.
alright, y'all. I got it primed. It ain't too bad. I see a few spots on. It's kind of low. It's like right in the middle, right along there. See them low spots. So take me some. Let's get you some black paint and mist it on there. And then we're gonna guide coat that. Alright guys, we done blocked it and sanded it and primed it and blocked it again and primed it and sanded it and blocked it. I ain't gonna keep doing it. I knew it wasn't gonna come out perfect, but we got it about right for the most part. We gotta sand the rest of this. I'm gonna tape everything up. I didn't put the bumper on there, so I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, shoot, it's 5 o'clock. See if we can get this painted today. These kittens is loud. Yo, listen here. was the mama in there and that. She'll normally pop out. But she in there. I don't want them to come out yet. She in there. She right there. I'm just showing them Miss Cleo, that's all. That's all. They were loud. I ain't know you was in there. That's all. She like, nigga. Yeah, go on back in there. She like, nigga. They still there, yo. Yeah. It's 4 of them. I said I was gonna feed them, but that's what happened to Smokey. I fed him and that nigga didn't leave. So, and then Cleo popped up. Smokey is the all great cat. And Miss Cleo is, they love us. Hell, boy. Yeah, I don't know what cats eat or anything, so. Yeah. They're here. But I'm about to go ahead and get this done. Like I said, I ain't doing nothing else on it. I'm done. I'm turned out from it. I got my doors on the way. They'll be here Thursday or Friday. So once I get this done, get back on that, finish that.
Wherever he laid his hat was his home.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
It ain't a hit, it ain't hit how.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Alright, so I did go and get some more paper for my lung block. This is 180 I'm using.
Today on the Morning Wire
And
podcast,
see, this is high. Let me take.
another major company
See this high right here,
brings production back stateside.
because the block is touching.
To deal with Iran and
It's touching the metal so much. That's why it's taking more away from here than it is from around. So this is high. This is high. This was that spot in the middle that was high, and I didn't like it, so I just sanded it down as much as I could. But everything else up here feels good. This spot down here, see? That's low. Them low spots. So. Alright guys, not too bad, not as bad as I expected. Actually, it's really good. Like, these are like very, very small spots, so you want to treat them like that. You don't want to go in there trying to knock that bit down all the way. You just want to tap it. Hold on, let me show you. Get you a pick hammer. Pick. So it's a really small spot, so You don't want to go in that bitch just hammering.
Way up in the waves on the tracks.
We got it all taped up, wiped off, cleaned off, getting the booth ready. I gotta get a longer hose.
Mama just hung her head and said, son. Mama just hung her head and said, son.
Okay. I can dig it. I can dig it. Yeah. Alright, Wayne. Yeah, a little line right here. Look at this shit. Tight shit. Yeah, shit. Yeah, shit. Shit, yeah. Yeah. I just hope we don't come back in the morning into rain. Shit, it look good. It's already dry. Yeah. Alright guys, this is what we got. And I ain't even gonna lie. It looks rough. It looks rough. I really didn't, it don't look bad in the camera, but in person it looks, you know. It's all good. No sweat. No sweat. I'm gonna buff it and see how it look. I don't know. After I buff it, I'm gonna see how it look. Cause it looked better than it did, but it don't look like that though. You feel me? So we'll see. We'll see what it do. I'm gonna let it dry though. Let that sun bake it a little bit before cause I finished it yesterday afternoon, and it's supposed to take 8 hours to dry. So if I finished it at 7, it should be pretty dry right now. But I want the sun to touch it. Maybe he'll put something on it and help a brother out. Cause let me see. It's kind of dusty. All right here, where I did that sanding at. Yep. All right here. All right here. This whole little spot. That's so frustrating. It's crazy because had I did it the first time, had I not messed up, I don't think it would have looked this bad. But this looks rough. Yeah, we'll let it dry. We got that about right. See if you want to take the texture out like that and get it smooth like that. Now I'm starting on this part now. Using 1500. I'm gonna go over this with a piece of 2000 grit, but I'm gonna do that on the DA. See, about texture. Just a little down here. You want to stay off this line though, because you'll burn that bit. You'll burn it. So you want to stay away from the line. So that's why you kind of see me just going up to the edge. And then like this, the line don't matter. Like the line, you can't see the line anyway. You want to stay on the face. When you get the face real smooth, see the lines don't matter. You just want to get that face. That bitch smooth too. Wait till I buff it. I hate buffing black. Cause I hate fucking swirls. No, wait till I buff it. That thing it's gonna shine. It's gonna shine, watch. Besides, I gotta get this one out of here. I done had it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. Too long. Too long, too long. You gotta go, my friend.
They'll put waves on the tracks.
Hit house.